Where? Oh, through the, oh, this side. Baba,
Ladies and gentlemen, just as I promised, we're going to be having an interview with one of the finest, the queen of the house, Upebs. She's in the building, man. We're going to be talking more. She's looking so beautiful and so gorgeous. Hello, queen.
Yes, sometimes.
Thank you so much for having us on the MVP.
Yeah, well.
Even while I'm still on camera. So welcome to the MVP.
Yeah.
Thank you for being part of the culture. Cool for this opportunity, you know. So Lana, it's all about Iqom, and I just want you to take me back, ma. Would say like Iqom, take me back to the history of Iqom and the culture of Iqom.
Yeah, men kuna ngeqom, ngicela ukukhona lamadalona. Mengikula ngeqom sengikhuluma ngobudlaba. Uyabo iqom ila experience khona ila ukhipha khona ama feelings akho. Indlela usudinge ngayo. No usudiniwe noma uhappy noma yabo but iqom uswakude because Luswa was playing in Havana, 101.
Yes, ma'am.
I can, etc. Yabo. But that's why wonke umuntu ngifixesha iqom manje. And yeah, ngiyakwazi ngibonga ukuthi abantu babukele kumina.
Okay.
As much as iqom melithatha sokuthi ngusikhotheni.
Okay.
But ngusikhotheni phansi bangilandelile.
Yeah. So because I know that you're a dancer, ne? So like when because the economy is and abantu abaningi behamba umisi and then masike abantu abaningi like amanye artists they even started iqom bengazi baqala iqom. So from now when as a dancer, like how did it all come about as a dancer to a choreographer to iqom, like the formation
a mix masala.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I was kind of better.
Yeah.
Because guys, I was a dancer.
Okay.
We draw on.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So Mpuli engazi ukuthi mina nami ngintwe pastel. I'm joking.
No, busha matembe klapini lapha kuhamba.
But men friends abantu yamazi babes yamazi athayibu ngiyamazi masimela ingane yethu yela so we yabo so abameni kuba ngeqom ngibe sensitive ngithi labantu abazi iqom mina ngiphilile ngiyaphila namanje qhubeka.
All right, no, we're going to talk more when we come back.
Hey, my name is Hannah Tabete. You're watching SAYouth TV.
Ingabe ukhathazekile ngemfundo yezingane zakho? Isikhungo se-Institute of E-Learning sinesixazululo kuwo. Sineziteji zokufunda ezithuthuke kakhulu futhi eziphelele kakhulu se-CAPS kusuka kumabanga esine kuya kwi-12 grade 12. Ukuphela kosizo ingane yakho eyokhe ikude. Kuququzelwe uMnyango Wezemfundo. Iyatholakala noma kuphi nganoma yisiphi isikhathi 24/7 365 years. Kutholakala ngezilimi ezilishumi ezahlukene okwenza ukufunda nokuqonda kube lula kakhulu. Sinikeza iplatform enobungani yomsebenzisi futhi ingahanjwa ngabo bonke abafundi. Isikhungo seplatform ye-Institute of E-Learning singasetshenziswa ngokubambisana nokufunda okujwayelekile njengensiza yosizo yokuxhasa ukufunda kwengane yakho. Asisekho isidingo semfundo ebizayo. Isikhungo se-Institute of E-Learning sikunika ukufinyelela zonke izifundo eziyisisekelo, amaphepha wonyaka odlule nama-memos asiza ukwenza ingane yakho ihlolwe. ukuhlolwa kwe-elektroniki ukukala ukuqonda kwengane yakho, amaphephabhuku okufunda enza ingane yakho ukwazisa okongezwe. Izifundo ezirikhodiwe kwangaphambili zenziwa othisha abangochwepheshe kwizifundo ngasinye eziyisisekelo. Sinikeza ilibrary yemfundo ngezincwadi eziyimpoqo ezisetwe nezinkulungwane zama-e-book, ama-advanced physics kanye nama-maths labs aqinisekisa ukuqonda okungcono. Uhlelo lokuqapha lwabazali kusiza ukulandelela intuthuko yezingane zakho. Ithimba lothisha lokuxhasa ingane lapho izidinga khona usizo. Umsindo wotolika umsebenzi. Vikela ikamva lengane yakho. Wenze amaphupho abo afezeke.
For over half a century, every waking minute has been dedicated to mobility. But for right now, we're much more obsessed with staying put. Here's to not moving, South Africa. We look forward to everyone being back on the road again.
What are your advertising needs? No matter how big it can be, we can sort it out. At SA Youth TV, we make advertising your business easy and enjoyable. Email us at mpumalanga@sayouth.tv.co.za or visit our website at www.sayouth.tv.co.za.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're still hanging out with the queen of the home herself. So I just want to let you know, Uguti, if you want to vote for your favorite artist, Kumbulu Uguti, you can actually drop a comment during our live broadcast by simply voting for your favorite artist. Uguti, sipping the team debut to the following week. And another thing, Uguti, Kumbulu Uguti, you need to actually submit your music video if you have a cool music video and submit it at djluvas@sautv.co.za in order for us to be able to premiere here on the MVP. So queen of the house, I want to know, like, I think the Hamburg when I want artist, and I'm asking the mama question about I went to DJ Lake, I went to Kunkwa, I spoke with Ustoko, I spoke with DJ Lucimen, Uru 11, you know. So like whenever I'm going to these guys, the only person who got to know me, it was only Ustoko. What to know from Kaloye. He was so confident in support I but I mean.
What in one thing? Akalanga ukuthi yabo mesingaqala sibali ukuthi into ukuthi abantu abaunderstand igqomo into enjengekwaito akasilone ikwaito igqomo into enjengathi hip hop mina khona amabhithi ngiwabiza ngothayela khona
yes
ngazo lusimeni ngazi uleke mina ngimazi Sparks Bantwana uyena wait mogo likhona
So I want to know from you, since you guys in Nomapincha, US Inc, you guys took it home to the next level, to international standard, like because I remember even Ingoma was debuted, we Black Panther. Like how was the experience for you?
It was such a privilege and an honor because Motor to Bega. Nothing young Black Paint.
Okay.
Me remember just doesn't call. Because I'm a contract seller, so I will down and better. That's how I go, such down and better. That's make Puma location because the same name is
yeah.
Kale, 18 months. Ile Wololo.
Yes.
Now there's oh my god, oh my word,
yes,
oh my god.
Yes.
I'm finding ways to I had to make Puma. A son is glad, it's a viva.
Okay.
And I was like, because the Gunku was all, it's a side of love.
Okay.
Umuto Carlos Fazane, Gom,
wow.
I'm the Black Pen, and which I nominate.
As I want to give you a high five, but mind you, corner corner, so can I just stop? So, like, I just want to know, like, how did that deal come about?
I think
wow.
I think Black Coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, Black Coffee or Fonela umapage ungaba umwashimane wethu ngaphumule wethu bafonela ngathabo ukenda kumba
wow
bathi me uthaka
live your dream
kathiwa uthi ngifuna ubheka ngisho no Diplo ngashaya ingoma naye.
Yeah.
uDiplo, DJ Diplo.
Yes.
Lo ushaya Beyonce.
Yes, I see that guy. Yes.
Ngashaya ingoma naye and yes isikhathi yazi yathula into ngithi wazo wasebenza nganye umphathi. Sebenzile mina.
Wow.
Abangibuze ngixoxothi mina ngagxoxozwa. uNkulunkulu mina ngaze bangibethe.
Wow, you're blessed, yeah?
I am.
Like there's so much more that I want to learn from you because you feel like I'm coming to your library and I'm coming to talking about all these things.
No, incwadi yami, incwadi. Ngingafundeki.
Wow.
Shaponya lapho sanibonani nonke lapho ku SAU TV kamala mulungile khathi.
Hello everyone, my name is Florence from the SA Youth Television Limpopo Province. From village to city, SA Youth Television is here to save you. Just make sure you send us your content at limpopo@sayouth.tv.co.za. Join us at 6 p.m. on our YouTube channel at SA Youth TV. Don't forget that you press that subscribe button and share. This one is for you dreamers. It is time.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the MVP. And if just joined us and you're wondering who's one loan, I guess no longer, man, I'm the one and only WMKG Popona Gogo, Mr. Swagger, we are Baba. And yes, man, I'm hanging out with the queen of it going itself, man. I'm hanging out with the babes, and I must say, man, Oguti, the queen has really took this genre to the next level. I mean, you have been part of something that has made history within the world.
Yes,
you're part of the Black Panther, and the Black Panthers actually sold the records, broke records of its own, and it's one of the first black produced a movie and a superhero. So it was trending all over the world, and your music was just right there, you know, buzzing, you know. And congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Congratulations for what you've done. You know, it's so inspiring to actually see Amantabasha doing well, you know, succeeding more, especially. You know what I mean? Perhaps I want to know, do you think in South African music industry, do you think by respect, do you think is it given the respect that it deserves?
No. Irrespect yegqoma bazange by respect kahle but bayirespectile abantu abalandela mina bayirespect emva kwami but on my times angisho ukuthi ngisakwazi kuleka 26
years of age, 26.
I'm too young.
Free generation, man.
Yes, I'm too young and the fame mina afika ngisamncane.
Wow.
So but khona abantu abarespect us. Abantu abafika emva kwabani because
yes, somebody
ngithatha kancane igqomu ngizayithatha la sayibeka. You understand? So ngingasho ukuthi it's not nice. Akukho mnandi ukuthi urecognize abantu baphesheya.
Just to add up the show, babes, as I had to check no late last time, actually complaining about the same thing. Uti, the only time I'm going to album realize and is because it's a feature not Beyonce.
Yeah, boy.
So the thing, I think we're still suffering. I think we're suffering from the situation of Uti. We want to support you once people from outside the support.
Yes, you're on the wrong there. Wow, ngizokuba ngikhuluma isishintong. Uthi ngikhulumisa because abantu abasirespectayo and ababona umsebenzi abantu bangaphandle.
Wow.
Abantu abala abasirespect.
Don't just celebrate.
Do you understand? Because abantu hlezi mina ngathola ifame. I think I was 21
okay.
or 19 back in the lab ngaqala with the station
yes
but I'm skeptic khala mateke aswa lapho ngathi wololo aswa lapho. Do you understand? I was too young. More manje ngina 26.
Wow.
I was too young.
And you have a place of your own when you're doing well for yourself.
Yes, I was, and this is kind of confused, but ngibona ukuthi nganginendoda ihlezi engadini.
Wow.
As much as ngingafuna ukugadela.
Okay.
Because ngizwe yibo ngiyenze ngitshena lo. Ngimali yami ngami. Hayibo ufuna uyigrubela. Ihlezi ngibeka at.
Wow.
But ubuhlungu umobuka abantu bengaappreciate. Ngiyabuka manje igqoma abantu balazi but ngihlezi kuthiwani ratchet. Ngithi mengikhuluma ngibhede isingisi. Uyangazi lesingisi mina nesingisi asihlangana. ngithi mengithi cha ubhebs usethe so bhebs utrendile abantu bajabule ukuthi ngiphelile but ba understand ukuthi mina kodwa ngosami kodwa yabo so that's why I'm okay with it.
The queen is in the building, man.
SA Youth TV.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're coming to the edge of our show, and you're still hanging out with the queen, man. The queen is in the building, man. Queen, I want to know, like, what is it that you think Lama artists Lawamasha who are coming up, they're looking up to you? What is it that they're doing wrong?
Yazi India bayibhekana ngokhuluma ngomagebe ukuthi ama artists amaningi angena indaba abangahlangene nazo.
Okay.
Njengokuthi if mhlambe asithi ikalawo noma iwesting iafro noma ukuthi kenzakalani thina as ama artists awuhlangene.
Okay.
Mekuthi siyazwana asizwaneni sama artists la amanye musungena indaba ungahlangene. Wena sebenza ukwenze lento uNkulunkulu akunikeza yona. But into ehlulayo wonke umuntu uhleze ethi ngifuna ukubheatha babes. Hayi competition mina angeke uzicompete nami. Ngoba futhi nami ngizokubeka lapho ubeka khona mase ngithi uphetheni isandla.
Washawela.
Esandleni mina yazi ngathusha uAsha.
Okay.
uAsha edlala ingoma yamanzi.
Hey, I remember.
Hilali. I was like shit. Angazi beshayi.
Yeah.
But angazi ngofika kanjani lapha. You understand?
So
angazi ngotshela nje kumini ubethe. Kumini ngoba baningi abantu abano mona emhlabeni. So if abantu bayifundisa ukuthi ubovala amadlebe, ubavala umsebenzi wakho. Uphume indaba zamatopana, amatopana makhe. Uphume emakheheni ukuthi babekhalele.
So I want to know from you, Uguti, quarantine, people have been locked inside. So what have you been busy? What can we expect from you, babes?
I've been busy with my album.
Okay, what's the name of the album?
My page with my Lisa.
Okay.
Mina Idandokazi.
Okay, Idandokazi, Idandokazi. Dando is Lamonville. Amadando.
Amadando,
okay, so when can we expect Amadando? Idandokazi.
Yes. So manje ngoJuly ngengitshela ukuthi yini.
Okay.
Basishutha ama-video 3.
Okay.
Sesiwashayile abantu beyokhishwa isisu umama wakho uthi ma ngenze njani mhlawumbe ngifaka konje kuye ngathi udlibuklet. Cha. You understand? So but into engifuna ukubafundisa abantu abasha ukuthi it's abanye abantu bayitshela ukuthi ifame ngayithola it's because umapintsha noma kanje uNkulunkulu benikeza isibusiso yakunikeza leso sibusiso ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
And futhi na kwabona ukuthi hayi ubheki engathi ugifted.
Okay.
Mina noma page is not 12 years.
Wow.
We can do mistakes, we can do things.
Wow.
We can get isikhathi.
Wangena indaba zabantu. So like what words of encouragement would you give to Mdomosha that is looking up to you, you know, they're a fan and they follow your art, you know, they're looking up to you, they're inspired by what you do. This is a SAU TV and it's a channel for Batabasha. So what would you like to say to them?
Just in case abantu babhalize the wrong ebhidayo ngathi okay ngiyakuthatha ukukhuluma ngathi ngiqoleleni ngiyathanda brother dayiso ufelefele mangezi uNkulunkulu akaphoqa igift akunikeza yona.
Wow.
So abantu kumele bayi understand lo abasoze bangiphuqa lutho.
Wow.
Never.
If you want to reach out to you, you want to follow in the social pages, ithola kanjani?
Instagram wami uhekiwe, Twitter Arinyazi babes udumo uthikiwe nje na uthikiwe uzobuya kodwa I think uzobuya next week.
You heard it from the horse's mouth, man. You know, like there's so much more that I want to learn from you. But I feel like a library running now. You know, this. She's beautiful, man. She's giving me a start. Like, what can I do, man? You said no, babes. It's been amazing. It's been a wonderful experience. I'm grateful for the opportunity that you've given me. Living my dream. You know, I feel so amazing being here already. You know, and it's amazing, man. It's amazing. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, man. Till next week, man. This is the MVP, man. Shout out to everybody that is pulling it down with us right here. Yeah, so this is Valentine. Bye. See you at number 1.
Bye. Number 1.
1.